What's going on, y'all? I just want to show you a video of my oversized cards for the train on for these packs. Just want to show you my little collection of them. This is the one that I opened the other night. I don't think they're nothing too exciting or fancy, but maybe towards the end, yeah, I like the base set ones. Yeah, just opened a whole bunch of them back in the day. I wish I would have kept more sealed, but whatever, it is what it is. Yeah, I just want to show you the ones I do have. I have a whole bunch of doubles and triples and everything, but yeah, I just thought they were cool. I have a lot more. I have another binder of those GX ones or whatever that come in the boxes and all that stuff with the Mewtwo and all that. But this is just the train on for the 25th celebrate, or 25th. And then almost done, almost done. Yeah, this I like that one. But I think my favorite is the base set, like Squirtle, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and I got Pikachu at the front. And yeah, I like that. Awesome. Thanks for watching.